Alright, so Danielle's off with Blayke at a little mom and daughter like getaway with a bunch of her school friends. So I'll let the Quints play with a friend today. But we're just gonna go ahead and go to church tonight. We're at church getting checked in. Ready?
Right, so Blayke and I just left her orthodontist appointment, and I said, oh, my baby needs a treat for so good. So we're right by Cakes by Jewel, and these literally are the absolute best cookies. Give me mine.
You wanted one?
They're like this red velvet.
I'm not using mine.
Red velvet, like, instead of like, or like white chocolate chips, it's like red velvet with like cream cheese chips. Literally, there was 2 left. One for her, one for me. Look at this. They're so good, right, Blayke?
Best cookie ever.
Best cookie ever. Let's try this one, because it looked yummy. S'mores. That's pretty good too. Try it. Yeah, good too. She literally makes the best cookies.
Velvet one's better.
Yeah, red velvet wins, but that is a good cookie. Now we're off to shop to go be little models. Photo time.
At this place, it's this place. Whatever, yeah. And then me and Baby are taking pictures over there. Yeah, we're trying to hang it up on this thing. But I think it's for iPads. That's how you get your hiccups away.
What on earth?
No, Hazel, you don't do it like that.
Did you drink it?
You drink it
Wait.
upside down.
I think they're gone.
Mark, get set. Y'all are not following the rules. Go this. No one paid attention.
Yes, I did.
No one paid attention. All right, another favorite of mine because it's floral and it's a set. 2 things I'm obsessed with and love. So I love the puff bubble sleeve here. It says very lightweight too, so it's not super thick. But you can, it has shorts. There's a little bit of pleat in the front of the shorts with pockets. Dude, wear this together, wear it separate. You could tuck it all the way in and make it look like a romper. You could do like one just little front tuck. That's how I like it. But this is to die for. I think I have some smalls left in this, and this is a small that is on me. So check this one out here. It's so cute.
You buttering those?
Yep.
You gotta have the crispy edges.